share this today. The latest Qwen-Image model. An accelerated LORA. I use this 8-step method. Its advantage is fast. It only takes 3 to 4 seconds. It can be generated. And compared with the above 3 minutes generator, the effect is not much different. It's just that the details are reduced. Actually, the difference is not that big. Of course, this detail is definitely not right. But the difference in time is huge. I will try this 3-minute one. Disable it first. Use the button. Very quickly. No need to wait 3 minutes for the image to be displayed. So this acceleration is very powerful. That's 1 per 3 seconds. There is a difference of 3 minutes from the above. 60 times. It is different from the above workflow in that. If you add this to accelerate LORA, remember to change this to CFG change to E. There is no other difference. Of course, this is used larger models of FP16, producing the highest quality. To compare this quick model, this is the smallest FP8 model. Plus 4-step LORA. The 4-step one is too bad, so I won't try. So if you need it urgently, this can be used to generate. I put this workflow here. Put it here. Qwen-Image's raw picture model. Image generation partial redraw this one. First, let me introduce. I'm using the online mirror I've drawn across. You can use it right away. Just like the one I'm using now. All my workflows are available. My image contains many of the latest workflows have. For example, one RDRS image with generated video. Audio drives pictures to generate videos. Or workflow, lip sync. Then modify the Chinese and English, and context, and flux query. It is commonly used outside. Then I divide it into 3 categories. There are images, video, and audio. There are more images. Generally, there are some commonly used workflows. For example, enlarging the image or lighting it, or transfer chart. etc. Video. Reference lip sync, or a video of a living person, or a picture of a living person. Video removal or video redraw. etc. There are also audio. Extract human voice. Vincent sound bottle, separated sound bottle, or voice cloning are more commonly used. The advantage of the submirror is you can use all my workflows in one place. And it is, you've made a copy of your image. You have complete freedom of control. It's different from my original body. It just becomes yours. Then I found this mirror. Another advantage is that I use this mirror address. You can also open a new page. It just means that it runs together. If this side is running, then you have to queue up over there. You have to wait here. But the advantage is that you can open more, then go set up the workflow. Just run. It's actually the same. This way it is convenient. Go while running. Deploy other workflows or do other things. You can separate many, although the same, but it can open multiple workflows. Like this, I might be running. You can copy it. Open a new page and paste it in. Then open other workflows to use. Oh yeah. You found the workflow today, or LORA context. Makeup remover LORA. The effect is perfect. Can remove makeup directly. Of course, I use. It's not for makeup removal. Just say. Sometimes the makeup is I can heavy. Use it to control. Lighten it a little bit. Replace this raw. I think this way the effect is better. You can fully control the concentration of this makeup. Not necessarily to the highest setting. This way you can restore it to a more realistic effect. I have already added LORA here. If you want to know all LORA prompt words here, click on this trigger where information. There is a URL above. You can find it here. All trigger words. You can also open this URL directly. Just open my notes. Because this note is updated at any time. So what is the trigger word for the newly added LORA? They will all enter here. You open it and look at it. It's the most complete all the trigger words of LORA. Name correspondence. It was originally used to remove makeup, but on my side, I think, use it to control the concentration of this makeup. The shade is more appropriate. Better play its value. Otherwise, you remove all the makeup. It's like a ghost. This LORA is meaningless. Use it to control the concentration of makeup. It's even more perfect. This way you can make this character generation more realistic. Then, if you deploy locally, you can open My Notes, click on ComfyUI tutorial. It will jump to the workflow side. The same is divided into three categories. Image category. Then this dozen questions. The raw image model generates this image. There is an installation tutorial inside, such as these models, or bus-step LORA. And screenshots briefly introduce how to use. There are also video tutorials and workflow downloads. This is suitable for local deployment. To use, you can do it in one step. My notes are updated at any time. Sometimes you may encounter some. With no problem, I will add it to the corresponding in the notes. Okay, that's all for this episode. Let's go play.